Okay, let's take one good question of trigonometric identities. This question is from R.S. Agarwal book. So question is, this expression we have to prove equal to 2 cosec theta. As already I taught you, we first see if identity is possible. So clearly seen कि no single value or term is given in square form, so that directly we can think about identity. Second thing, can we convert the ratios? Already these ratios are in simplest form of sine cos and cos sine. Then only algebra trick. Is applicable. Take LCM of the denominators plus cos theta into sin theta. Numerator sin theta into sin theta plus 1 plus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta. Can be written as sin square theta plus 1 plus cos theta whole square upon 1 plus cos theta into sin theta. Apply a plus b whole square identity here to open this bracket. So sin square theta plus a square plus b square plus 2ab plus cos theta into sin theta. Rearrange the terms. Sin square theta plus cos square theta. Once square terms are introduced, then definitely we are going to think about identities. So I am rearranging these plus 1 plus 2 cos theta. So this bracket become 1 by first identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1 plus 1 plus 2 cos theta 1 plus cos theta into sin theta. So this is 2 plus 2 cos theta 1 plus cos theta into sin theta. 2 can be taken as common from this expression. So 1 plus cos theta on 1 plus cos theta into sin theta. Some got cancelled. So 2 by sin theta, which is nothing but 2 by 1, 2 into 1 by sin theta means 2 into cosec theta. So like this, left hand side is equals to right hand side. So in next session, we will practice some very important question on trigonometric identities. So don't miss it. For that, subscribe to my channel MTuitions by Neetu Sharma and stay updated. Thank you.